Hi guys, today I'm going to be having a sponge bath. So I can't actually be in water because I'm a stuffed animal, so I have to just get scrubbed with this stuff. It helps get the stains out. So, and we use this. It hasn't been used on any feet, don't worry. I use that, and I'm going to put on my bonnet, and I gotta take off my clothes, of course. So, I'm just gonna shut the camera down for a second. Don't worry, guys. I'm still here. Take off my clothes. There. So now, Mommy lays me down in the sink, like so. And I'm gonna face it this way. Face it so you guys can see me. So yeah, this is me, guys. I'm gonna, my bonnet. Put that on. I do it every time, well, most of the time I take a bath. So yeah. So then take this stuff. We spray it on here or on me. Okay. And then we just scrub it on me. Helps get a lot of the big stains out. And yeah, see, there's like paint right here on me. See it, guys? So now we scrub, maybe even have to spray it on there. Okay, scrub. And it will slowly come out. And get a little wet. Scrub. See, all out. And then I scrub my toenails. And there's a little spot right there. Scrub these toenails. My burnt feet. Oops, sorry about that, something fell. And there, I'm all clean. See, this is how I take a sponge bath. It doesn't get it all off, but most of it. So, that's what I use, guys. Bye, that was my sponge bath. Bye.